Hi, welcome to Estatoora LMS Crash Course. I'm Engineer Paz, CEO and founder of Estatoora. For those of you who haven't heard Estatoora, we're a business development firm who helps organizations to make their business better and wider. And one of our services is LMS for corporate and academic institutions. This part, of course, is very important, so you will know if this course is for you, how this course works, the overview of this course. Is this course for you? This course is designed to help you manage your LMS as the site admin from the administration interface and help you understand the essentials of teaching with LMS. It is advisable that you have your own Estatoora LMS site with an admin account to maximize the learning from this course. If you don't have one yet, you can visit web.estatoora.com and sign up with our free or paid Estatoora LMS plans. Our free LMS is suitable for institutions who have limited budgets and trying the LMS out. On the other hand, our paid LMS plans are for institutions who want to have more premium features like .edu domain name, branded email for instructors and learners, ads-free interface, and more. We will also manage the LMS for you so we can guarantee 99% uptime with paid plans. So, is this course really for you? This course is perfect for new Estatoora LMS users who want to quickly learn how to manage the site but don't have IT or programming skills. Educators who have planned to manage the Estatoora LMS themselves and use for teaching classes. Principal, department coordinators, academic school owner, business owner, or anyone in management position who wants to learn how to administer an Estatoora LMS. And this course is not for people who are looking for advanced Estatoora LMS training. How this course works. This is a free, learn on your own pace course provided by Estatoora. You must have an administrator account on your own LMS site. Disclaimer that this course is not facilitated, yet you are most welcome to ask any questions about Estatoora LMS admin course in our Estatoora course community. You can join groups related to LMS like schools and universities group or follow anyone from Team Estatoora. You can work through the course content at your own pace, but to obtain a certificate of completion, you must ensure all required items are completed, either by clicking the Mark as Complete button or by doing what the requirements say. A certificate will be issued at the end of the course automatically when you have completed all the required activities. Course overview. Start before or as soon as you receive your production-ready LMS. Duration. This is relative to your allocation of time. This entire course can possibly be accomplished within 16 hours. Fees. None. If you would like to contribute towards the cost of providing this course, please consider subscribing to our paid LMS. You can purchase discount codes in our Esta shop using your collected Esta coins. Adding a courses. We will discuss category and course here. How to manage courses like adding and editing courses. Adding your users. How to add users onto your LMS site manually and Google Login. How to enroll users into your courses. Get started. Navigate around the LMS site and course. Understand the dashboard. Edit course settings and layout. Give learners course access. Add content. Add files such as worksheets and presentations. Add images. Display information on the course page. Embed media. Share web links. Involve your learners. create activities for discussion and collaboration, set graded activities such as quizzes and assignments. Now that we know that this course is for you, how this course works, and what this course will cover, you can now move on to the next video or find out more in our LMS course documentation. Thank you!